Alright, now I'm about to perform the vacuum decay test, and I actually have it higher than I ever usually go. I'm uncomfortable with 190, but I oops during handling a phone call at the same time. And so now here's the tightness test right there where it says tightness test. So you hit the button saying tightness test. Okay, now we're in the tightness test. Then you hit enter to start. See, if I don't know if you could read the scrolling up there, press enter to start, and that'll give you a timer countdown and then the loss from when you start to when you finish. And this is something where you'd go away for an hour if you wanted to go. But as you can see, the numbers are just barely falling. I mean, we got 190.1, 189.9. Okay, if you've seen one tick off of there, there would be nothing on a set of analog gauges. If you've seen 2 ticks, 3, 4, 5 tenths, 6 tenths, even 1 psi, 1 psi at 190 psi, you would not see your analog gauge move. And if it took an hour to do that, you're not going to see it. So then you hit enter, and now it's on to enter mode, and now it'll count down the difference as it falls, and it's counting down time right there. See right there? That's your time. And so this is what you do, but I could tell, even if I break out the ultrasonic leak detector right now, I'm pretty sure I'm not going to find anything. And this appears to be one of those leaks that doesn't leak under vacuum, doesn't leak under high pressure, but it will leak when it has refrigerant in it and it starts running and vibrating, and the case starts vibrating and pulsating from the compression and suction action going on with the pistons. And as the aluminum on the case or whatever fittings gets hot, expands, and then on the other side where the suction line comes in, that aluminum will contract and shrink, and somewhere in there some oil is coming out. So it looks like if my ultrasonic, which if I'm not losing anything, the ultrasonic can't pick up anything. So it looks like I will be throwing this back on the vacuum pump and putting refrigerant in it and trying to find that leak again. Before, when I removed the cap, this was hissing, literally hissing, and that's how much refrigerant was coming out of this. But that wasn't the only thing. That doesn't give the excuse, because from here, there's no oil stain down here that dripped down and caused that big oil stain down below. It's from somewhere around the top of the compressor. So let's find out what happens, and I will be back. And I'm going to throw this on the vacuum pump in another 15 minutes and use nitrogen. If this doesn't go down anymore and my ultrasonic can't find it, I'm vacuum pump in refrigerant time. Run the engine under a dynamic conditions, not static.